Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the latest addition to my film camera collection, and that is the Canon Prima Mini Date 2. I decided to buy this after months of debating, and unfortunately I didn't buy it at a thrift store for 30 bucks. I actually paid a little overpriced for it, but it's whatever. I bought this camera on Etsy. It came with the box as well. The original box, and also the manual, which I believe it's in like Ukrainian, I believe. So, but the camera dials are pretty simple to point out, so I don't think you really need the manual for it. And over in the front, you see the Canon lens covered, which is pretty cool. And how you turn it on is and over in the back you have, I believe it's this, how you set the dates. Over here you have this latch. And over on top, you see the different type of modes. This is the timer. This is on auto mode. This is flash, and this is suppress flash. And over here, you have the counter over here. So that's pretty much it when it goes to the overview of the camera. So I think I'm going to put Gold 200 on this camera, and yeah, let's see how this photos come out. So these are the results from the camera. The photos came out cool. I wasn't too crazy about a good portion of them, but there were others where the camera handled those light situations well. But I am glad I purchased this camera. I needed something smaller than my Canon L2 to carry around. So starting this year, I'll be starting a new series for my film and digital vlogs. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. share your thoughts, and I'll see you next time. And also, Happy New Year, everybody.